Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a smart payment kiosk works step by step in a simple and easy way. First, the customer approaches the smart payment kiosk and selects the required service from the touchscreen. This service can be bill payment, mobile recharge, banking service, traffic fine payment, utility payment, or any other available option. After selecting the service, the user enters the required details into the kiosk. For example, the customer may enter an account number, bill number, mobile number, customer ID, or order details so that the system can identify the correct payment request. Next, the kiosk verifies the entered information by connecting with the payment system, bank server, or service provider database. This step makes sure that the account details, bill amount, or service information are correct before moving to payment. Then, the customer chooses a suitable payment method. A smart payment kiosk usually supports multiple payment options such as cash, debit or credit card, mobile wallet, QR code payment, and NFC contactless payment. After that, the user makes the payment using the selected method. For cash payment, the customer inserts notes into the cash acceptor. For card payment, the customer inserts, swipes, or taps the card. For mobile payment, the user can scan a QR code or tap a phone on the contactless area. Once the payment is made, the kiosk securely sends the transaction request to the bank or payment gateway for authorization. During this stage, secure payment software checks and processes the payment to protect the user's financial information. After the payment is approved, the kiosk confirms the transaction and updates the service account or bill status instantly. This means the payment record is saved and the customer's selected service is completed. Finally, the kiosk generates a receipt for the customer. The receipt can be printed from the receipt printer, or the confirmation can be sent digitally through SMS or email. Overall, a smart payment kiosk works through a combination of touchscreen input, card reader, QR scanner, NFC sensor, cash acceptor, receipt printer, internet connection, and secure payment software. As a result, it provides fast, self-service, secure, and 24/7 payment access, while reducing waiting time and offering multiple payment options. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.